Now, one of the things that we often want to do with numbers is compare them. That is, decide which one's bigger. And this can be troublesome when we hear large numbers spoken aloud. For example, maybe we want to compare the numbers 16,847,025 and 16,011,541. It's really hard to get a sense for which one of those numbers is greater. Now remember what we mean by greater, further to the right on the number line, or represents more things. In order to compare these, it's very useful to first write them down in numerals. So, I'm going to ask you to pause the video and try writing out these two numbers in numeral form, and then we'll see if you get the same thing as I do. Pause the video and try it now. Okay, so the first number, 16 trillion. So 16 trillion. 847,000. Now if I write 847 here, remember this is the trillions group. The next group is going to be the billions group. So if I write 847 here, that would mean 847 billion. We haven't got any billion in this number. So we'll need zeros in the billions place. Have we got any million in this number? No. We'll need zeros in the millions place. 847,000. All right. The 847 goes in the thousands group. 847,000. And then 25 with no words after it, so 25 units. I want to just write 25. Units, tens. I need something in the hundreds place, don't I? All right. So here's the first number. 16,847,025. Let's play the same game with the second number. So in the trillions group, I have 16 trillion. 11 million. I'm not to the millions group yet. Once again, what do I need in the billions group? I need some zeros. In the millions group, I want to write 11, but I need 3 digits in the millions group. So I'll need a 0 to get 11 million. 541, not thousand. So what do I need in the thousands group? I need zeros again. 541 in the units group. Okay, so that helps. I can kind of look at these numbers now and hold the whole thing in my head more easily. How do I decide which one is bigger? I'm going to look through these place by place. They have the same number of 10 millions, the same number of millions, the same number of 100 billions, the same number of 10 billions, the same number of billions, the same number of 100 millions. Ah, I see that the first place that they're different is in the 10 millions place. Now, 110 million is definitely bigger than no 10 millions. Could these later digits make a difference in which one's bigger? Well, no. Even if I had 9,999,999, that's less than 10 million. So this first place that they're different is all that I need to look for. And then once I've found this first place that they're different, whichever number has a larger digit there is greater. So in answer to our question, which is greater, we can say 16 trillion, 11,541 is greater than 16 trillion 847,025. Now, something I want to underscore about this leftmost place. So we want to decide which is greater, 870,000 or 12,050,000. Again, let's write these out in numerals first. 870 in the thousands group. And then nothing else. So let's fill in zeros for the units group. 12,050,000. That's 12 in the millions group. What goes in the thousands group? Well, there's nothing here. And then in the units group, I want to write 50. That's no 150. What's the first place that these are different? Well, this number has a 10 millions place. This number doesn't. Right? We can think of this as no millions, no 10 millions. No 10 millions, no millions, 800,000s. So the first place that they're different is in the 10 millions place. Which one is greater? This one is greater. Since I've already written them in this order, I'm going to say 807,000 is less than 12,050,000. I'm going to have you try one of these as well. Decide which is greater, 17,570,000,000 or 17,557,000,000. Pause the video and try this now. Okay, again, our first step should be to write these in numerals. So 17 billion. Now the next group is the millions group. Oh, I actually have millions. 570 million. I don't have any thousands, so I'll put zeros in the thousands group. And I don't have any units, so I'll put zeros in the units group. So I'm comparing that to 17 in the billions group, 557 million, so 557 in the millions group, and then nothing beyond that. So 0 in the thousands group, 0 in the units group. Ooh, these are long. I want to make sure they match up. Okay, so here's the billions group. Here's the 10 billions place. Okay, good. 10 billions place, they're the same. Billions place, they're the same. 100 millions place, they're the same. 10 millions place, they're different. So here I have 7 10 millions. Here I have 5 10 millions. The rest of these digits don't matter at all. This one is greater. So the answer to which is greater, this first number, 17,570,000,000, is greater.